Good morning. What led to a Friday freaky afternoon fall remains largely a mystery, with the NSE swearing by the robustness of its system. The sudden and swift sell off could not prevent the Indian indices from notching the modest gains, though. Another big event on Friday was the Reliance Industries quarter 4 earnings. While the headline PAT figure was in line with estimates, the problems for the energy and petrochemical majors are far from over. The Reliance Industries stock could remain under pressure for a while till there are visible signs of improvement in core business. The start today is likely to be more or less flattish. Asian markets are mostly trending lower despite IMF bolstering its firepower for dealing with unforeseen accidents. Sentiment might improve after China's so-called flash manufacturing PMI climbed in April from March. FOMC policy meet and US GDP data will be closely watched along with the other global data points. For India, the FII flows will be important driving force besides FNO expiry and corporate results. The broader trend still remains uncertain, with the trading range getting extended to 5,200 to 5,400. A breakout is needed in order to ascertain the near-term direction. Till then, the outlook remains cautious. Key results to be announced today are Alstom Projects, BOC India, Coromandel International, Geometric, M&M Financial, Noida Tolls, Relis India, Tata Sponge, TCS and Ultratech Cement. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 3.14 billion in cash segment on Friday, while the domestic institutional investors were net in buyers of Rs 1.34 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIIs were net sellers of Rs 2.40 billion in the FNO segment on Friday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 682 million in cash segment on Thursday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend going short on ICICI May futures below Rs 858 with stop loss placed at Rs 876 and for the target price of Rs 822. We recommend traders to sell Crompton Greaves April futures below Rs 131 with stop loss placed at Rs 134.5 and for the target price of Rs 124. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Educom April futures above Rs 200 for the target price of Rs 212 and a stop loss placed at Rs 194. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.